Hello everyone, so welcome back to Pabbly Connect. So in this video we will learn how to send your product details to Facebook leads automatically on WhatsApp. So imagine this, you are running an awesome Facebook lead ad campaigns and a new lead called as John has been generated from your Facebook lead ad form. So you have John's name, email address and of course his phone number. On this particular phone number you want to send a WhatsApp message. And this WhatsApp message will contain your product information. So here you have two choices. The first choice is you can copy the details of your lead from Facebook lead ad forms, sort it out, compose a message and send it manually on WhatsApp. Now this process is actually very repetitive and tiresome. So here I would suggest that you bring in some automation so that whenever a new form is submitted on Facebook, it will automatically send a message on WhatsApp. But the issue here is, there is no active connection between Facebook and WhatsApp. So in cases like these, we have to bring an integration and automation software called as Pabbly Connect that will integrate Facebook lead ad forms and WhatsApp. The best part of using this process is, any person without any technical background can perform this little integration very easily. Now if you are interested, let me show you the steps. But before, let me show you an example.
Okay, so as you can see, this is a Facebook lead ad form and a person called as Sophia Grace is filling the form. Just imagine that this is the WhatsApp profile of Sophia Grace. So once this form submission is made by Sophia Grace, let's explore, will she get a WhatsApp message from me? So the full name is Sophia Grace. This is the email, sophiagrace123@gmail.com. This is the phone number. On this phone number, she will be getting a WhatsApp message when the form submission is made by her. So let me just click on next and submit. Excellent. So the form submission has been made by a person called as Sophia Grace. So let's have a look. What is the message that she has received on her WhatsApp number? Okay, so let's explore the WhatsApp profile of Sophia Grace. And as you can see, this is the message that she has received. Hi Sophia Grace, thank you for signing up. We have attached our product details in PDF file. So this is the PDF file that we are talking about. Right now I'm sending her test PDF, but in your case, you will be sending your product brochure. Don't hesitate to contact us for any questions or concerns. For more details, you can visit our website. So this is my product website. Sophia Grace is just going to click on this link and she will be directed to our website. Okay, so let it load. Okay, so this is the website and if she is interested, she is going to purchase one of my products. Excellent. So you must be thinking, how did I do it? How did I manage to send the data from Facebook lead ad forms to WhatsApp? Okay, so in just 3 easy steps, you are going to send the data from Facebook lead ad forms to WhatsApp. I repeat this again. In just 3 easy steps, you are going to integrate Facebook lead ad forms and WhatsApp. So first of all, in the step 1, you are going to connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ad forms. Simply put, you are going to first log into Pabbly Connect and then you are going to integrate Facebook lead ad forms to Pabbly Connect. Now in the second step, you are going to collect the data from Facebook lead ad forms to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so this is also easy. So now you are going to make a dummy submission in Facebook lead ad forms. The details of this submission will be available in Pabbly Connect. Now in the third and the final step, you are going to send the same data to 𝗏𝗏 for sending a message to the form submitter. Okay, so now you have the details of the form submitter in Pabbly Connect. And using these details, you are going to compose a message in 𝗏𝗏. Okay, so what's the deal with 𝗏𝗏? So basically, the issue here is WhatsApp API is limited. It is technically not publicly available to all. So here we are using a verified WhatsApp business API called as 𝗏𝗏 to send the messages on WhatsApp. Don't panic, don't get confused, it's pretty easy. Okay, so let me just show you the steps. Okay, so to begin the process, in the new tab, just type pabbly.com, 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 press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. All you have to do is just click on sign up for free. Here in my case, I have already built my account. In your case, it will just take 2 minutes. So when I click here, I will be brought to the app section of Pabbly. So this is the app section of Pabbly. Let me just scroll down and here you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. So I'm planning to give it as Facebook to WhatsApp. Of course, you can give any name according to your choice. It's totally on you. Okay, Facebook to WhatsApp. Let me just straight away click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, you will find two windows, the trigger window as well as the action window. Now I want to send the data from Facebook lead add forms. So let me just add Facebook leads. Okay, so as you can see here we have choices, Facebook lead ads, Facebook comments, Facebook groups, Facebook pages. We are interested in Facebook lead ads. We have selected it. Okay, so now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new lead? Okay, so basically what we are going to do here is, first of all, I have already logged into my Facebook account, and let me just straight away click on connect. So it is just going to connect your Facebook profile to Pabbly Connect. We are going with the new connection and just simply click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Okay, so the authorization is successful, brilliant. So by default, it is showing the page as well as lead generation form. So these are the two fields we have, page and the lead generation form. So these are all the pages that is present in my Facebook account. Let me just show you. So these are the pages that I have. This is my Facebook account and these are all the pages. Now all the pages that is present here is being reflected here. Okay, in the drop down you can find all these pages. Now let's say I'm interested in one particular page. The name of the page is Electronics and Digital Shop. Let's go with this one, Electronics Digital Shop. So let me just select Electronics Digital Shop here also. This is the page, Electronics Digital Shop. Okay, so for Electronics Digital Shop, we actually have 2 or 3 forms. So when I go to Pabbly Connect and in the lead generation form, when I click here, so these are all the forms I have in this particular page. Okay, we have new leads, smart products for your home and sign up form. I'm interested in this one, new leads. Okay, so where is this particular form located? Let me just go to the page. Okay, I'm just going to show you the location of that particular form. Okay, and after that you go to more tools, click on more tools, and after that you click on instant form. Okay, so these are the forms I have, new leads, smart products for your home and sign up form. All the forms that is present here is being reflected here. Okay, now I want to work with this particular page and this particular form. So my point is, when I click on save and send test request, it will fetch me the data of the recently created lead. I think in our case, the recently created lead is Sophia Grace. But we have already sent a message to Sophia Grace, so how about we create one more new lead? Okay, so let me just go to my Facebook account and let me just select the lead form. My lead form. So this is the form, new leads. I'm selecting this one. Okay, and what I'm going to do here is I'm just clicking on test form. Okay, so this is the lead generation form, and let me just enter some more details. So we have a person called as 𝗪𝗵𝘆. Okay, so this is the person who is filling the form, and these are the details, 𝗪𝗵𝘆123@gmail.com, and this is her phone number. Okay, let me just click on next and let me just click on submit. Okay, so the form submission has been made by a person called as 𝗪𝗵𝘆. She has entered her email address and also her phone number. On that particular phone number, we want to send the WhatsApp message. So what I'm going to do here is, now we know that we have a person called as 𝗪𝗵𝘆 has made a entry, okay, a lead form entry. What I'm going to do here is, let me just click on save and send test request. So as I mentioned earlier, when I click on save and send test request, it will fetch me the data of the recently created lead. In my case, this time it is 𝗪𝗵𝘆. So when I click on save and send test request, as you can see, we have the details of 𝗪𝗵𝘆. Awesome. We have the full name as 𝗪𝗵𝘆. This is the email address, 𝗪𝗵𝘆1234@gmail.com. And this is the phone number. So on this phone number, we want to send a WhatsApp message. So as I mentioned earlier, we are using 𝗏𝗏 to send the WhatsApp message. So what I'm going to do here is, in this action window, okay, I'm going to introduce 𝗏𝗏. Okay, so this is 𝗏𝗏. Now in the action event, how about we make it a send template message? Why template message? Well, I will explain you that later, but there is something else I have to show you. Let me just straight away click on connect. Let's go with a new connection. Okay, so as you can see, we have to enter the API endpoint as well as the access token. So what's the deal with the API endpoint and access token? So these are the details that we will find from 𝗏𝗏 account. So this is my 𝗏𝗏 account. As you can see, I have already logged in. Okay, and let me just click on these 3 horizontal lines. Click here and just click on API docs. Okay, so as you can see, this is my access token and this is my API endpoint. I'm just going to copy this, okay, and I'm going to paste it here. Easy. Now we have the access token. So this is my access token. I'm just going to copy this And after that, I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so we have entered the API endpoint. We have also mentioned the access token. Let me just click on save. So when you click on save, you will find some fields: the WhatsApp number, template, broadcast name, and custom parameters. Let's start with the first one, the WhatsApp number. So this is the WhatsApp number where we will be sending the message. So we want this particular detail here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click here. I'm going to click here, and this is the WhatsApp number, and we have mapped it. Now there is a small issue. As you can see, it is giving an instruction. Enter a valid WhatsApp number with country code without the plus sign. Okay, but in our case, there is a plus sign. So let us read this statement once again. Enter a valid WhatsApp number with country code without the plus sign. But in our case, there is a plus sign. Okay, so my point is we have to remove the plus sign. It's actually pretty easy. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is in between the trigger window as well as this action window, I'm going to introduce one more window. So I just clicked on the plus sign. Okay, so in the choose app, let me just add number formatter. Well, that's pretty easy because we are formatting a number, so that is why we are going with number formatter. We clicked here. Now in the action event, how about we make it as, let me just make it as spreadsheet formulas. Why spreadsheet formula? Let me just straight away click on connect and I will explain you later. Okay, so here we have to mention the spreadsheet formula. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to remove the plus sign. Okay, and in place of plus sign, I'm going to substitute with a blank. Okay, that's the point. Instead of the plus sign, I'm going to substitute with a blank. Okay, so let me just click here. Let me just click on check full list. I'm just going to enter a formula. Click on check full list. Okay, now we are going to work with one particular formula. So let me just click on Control F, okay, and let me just add substitute. So this is the formula that we will be using. There are a ton of formulas, but we are going to work with this particular formula, substitute. So I'm just going to copy the formula name, okay, I'm just going to copy the formula name, and after that, I'm just going to paste it here, okay, enter a bracket, and let me just add the phone number. So this is the phone number and we have mapped it, okay, because this is the phone number where we want to format it because we want to remove the plus sign. Enter a comma, enter a pair of double quotes. Inside the pair of double quotes, enter the plus sign because that's the one that we want to remove. And after removing, we are going to substitute it with the blank. So once again, comma, double quotes, and just leave it as blank. So it will just show the phone number without the plus sign because the plus sign is going to be substituted with a blank. I hope it is getting clear. Let's finish the formula by closing the bracket. Okay, so we have entered the phone number because this is the number that we want to format by just removing the plus sign. We have entered the number, we have entered the thing that we have to remove. In our case, that's the plus sign, and the plus sign has to be substituted with a blank, okay? So when I click on save and send test request, let's see what we will get. As you can see, we don't have the plus sign anymore. Now this is the data that we have to enter here, okay? So what I'm going to do here is once again, I'm just going to click on connect, and let me just go to the last connection and let me just click on save. The reason I'm doing this is because I want to make sure that the recently created data of this particular phone number, the formatted phone number, should be available in this window also. Okay, so let me just remove this, okay, and let me just click here and let me just add the phone number, and we have mapped the phone number. So easy. So now we have a valid WhatsApp number without the plus sign. Okay, so now we are going to work with the template. So when we send the WhatsApp message, you had observed that there was the message, there was the link, and there was this template. There was this PDF. Okay, so these are the templates that is present in my Vatty account. Okay, so I'm talking a lot about templates. So what are these templates? So let me just straight away take you to Vatty, click on broadcast, and click on template message. So basically, if you're using Vatty, you can't directly type a message and send it on WhatsApp. You have some templates, you have to stick to the rules, you have to enter the variables and send it as a message. Let me show you if you don't understand. So this is the template that we will be working for. File for a new lead. Okay, so let me just show you the template. So this is basically the template. okay, hi, and here the name of the person. In our case, that the person's name who has sent the message, or I'm sorry, who has entered the lead, who is the newly created lead, is 𝗏𝗪𝗏. Okay, so here, hi, 𝗏𝗪𝗏. Thank you for signing up. We have attached our product details in PDF file. Don't hesitate to contact us for questions or concern. And here the website link will come. So this is the website link where we want to direct 𝗏𝗪𝗏. Okay. So I repeat this again. Here the name of the person, the name of the lead will come, and here the link will come. And also, as you can see, we have the test PDF link. Okay, so here the test PDF link will come. So you have a question: how can you create this template? So this is actually pretty easy. Just click on new template message. Okay, and here you are going to give a name to the template. After that, you are going to select a category. Okay, the language will be, of course, English, or you can select your own language. Okay, and after that, you're going to add the message, something like this: hello, curly brackets. In the pair of two curly brackets, we're going to enter the name. Okay, so here the name of the lead submitter will come. Okay, and after that, you have to also select one more thing, that what is the thing that you want to send. For instance, I want to send the PDF. So here the PDF link will come. Now there is an important thing that you have to do. After you have created the template, you have to make sure that 𝗏𝗏 approves this template. For instance, as you can see, these are the templates I have given as I have submitted for approval, and at present the stage is kept as draft. These templates have not been approved yet by 𝗏𝗏. Okay, I repeat this again. For instance, these two templates have not been approved by 𝗏𝗏. So my point is, you have to create a template and then get it approved by 𝗏𝗏. Okay, in my case, these two templates have not been approved. But as you can see, these are the templates that have been approved. And I want to work with this particular template, file for new lead. So I'm going to click on view template. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is next. I'm just going to scroll down. Okay, and first of all, I'm going to select the template. Now, the name of the template, if you remember, was this one, file for new lead. So I'm just going to click on file for new lead, select file for new lead. Okay, so this is the one. And once we have selected the template, we have to work with custom parameters. We will deal with broadcast name later. So as you can see, we have two parameters here. One is the name, okay, and one is the website link. Okay, so we have two parameters. So let's start with the name. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to copy this whole code. Okay, it's very easy. Just don't get confused. It's very easy. Okay, and I have pasted it here. Okay, so this is the code that we will be working with. Okay, now we have the first one. So this is the parameter that we'll be working on. The name, it is showing it as color. But in our case, the name is also known as name. Don't get confused. Imagine this. Hi. Instead of name, it is showing, let's say, last name. Okay, last name. So we will basically copy the last name and paste it here. Remove the color and paste it here. Let's say we have the parameter as age. Imagine this, it's showing it as age. So we will just copy age and just remove color and paste it here. Now in our case, it's just showing name. So I'm just going to copy the name. Okay. And I'm just going to remove this and I'm going to paste it here. I know it is a bit confusing that name is equal to name. What's the meaning of that? Okay, so here the name value will come. So what is the value? So value is something this. Let me show you the value. The value is 𝗏𝗪𝗏. So this is the value that we want here. Okay, this is the value that we want here. Earlier it was name equal to color. The value was blue. Okay, so I'm just going to remove the value of the color, that is blue, and I'm just going to add the name of the person, that is 𝗏𝗪𝗏. Okay, so we have done it. Now there is something else we have to do. So as you can see, I have mentioned that there are two parameters. One is for the name and other for the website link. So I'm just going to copy this. Oh, I'm sorry. We should not copy this earlier. I'm just once again going to copy this. Okay. As I mentioned, there are two parameters. That is why I'm going to paste this formula once again, paste this code once again. Okay. And we have the name and then we have the color. Okay. So once again, I'm just going to remove the color. Now this will be very clear to you. I'm just going to copy the website link. Okay, so this is the one we want. Remove the color and paste the parameter, that is website link. Excellent. Now we have to mention the value of that website link, in which website we want to direct our customers. So this is the link that I want. I'm just going to copy this. After that, I'm just going to remove the value that is blue, okay, and I'm going to paste it here. So easy. So this is how the message will look like, okay. Hi, 𝗪𝗵𝘆, thank you for signing up. We have attached our product details in PDF file. Don't hesitate to questions or concerns, and this is the website link. And this is the website link that we have added. I hope it is getting clear now. So this is the message that will be sent using this particular template. Okay, so now let's deal with the broadcast name. Now this is also a very easy thing. So as you can see, these are the messages that has been sent. Okay, let me just go to broadcast history. So these are the messages that has been sent. One has been sent as lead form, one has been sent as Facebook lead data, new message, Razorpay, class 12 chemistry notes. So these are the different unique broadcast names. The importance of giving the broadcast name is that, let's say if you want to figure out why this message wasn't sent, so you can just figure out if you remember the name of the broadcast name, you can just check for the statistics, you can look for the actions, so you can just look into the actions, so you can just figure out where it went wrong or why it was sent. So my point is, I'm just going to give a unique broadcast name. So how about I just give it as Facebook new leads data. Okay, so this would be our broadcast name. Of course, you can give any name according to your choice. It's totally on you. Now, all we have to do at this point is just click on save and send test request to send our WhatsApp message. So let me do that. Okay, so as you can see, the response is a positive one. So let me just straight away show you the screenshot of the message that 𝗪𝗵𝘆 has received. So this is the screenshot of the message that 𝗪𝗵𝘆 has received. Okay, so she's just going to click on this link if she want to explore our product browser. Okay, or if she's interested, she's just going to read the message, and after that she's just going to click on the link of our website. So either way, a lead will be automatically converted to a customer. Interesting. Okay, so what's next? Now that we have built the workflow, let me just minimize all the steps one by one to explain you the whole mechanism. So let me just minimize this, and let me just minimize the trigger window. So basically, this is the whole process in a nutshell. First of all, you have integrated Facebook lead ads to Pabbly Connect. And after that, you have introduced number formatter by Pabbly because you want to remove the plus sign in front of the phone number. After that, you have built a template, get it approved by 𝗏𝗏𝗏, and after that, you have introduced 𝗏𝗏𝗏 to Pabbly Connect. After that, you have constructed a message and send a message on WhatsApp. So as you can see, there's a perfect flow of data between Facebook lead ads and 𝗏𝗏𝗏 to send the WhatsApp message. Awesome.
Not just these apps, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, please contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, you can ask questions on forum.pabbly.com. Also, if you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. It will really motivate us to make more videos for you. Thank you.